Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Jana Tungo. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle. Hope you're going to find this video helpful, and if you do, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, this is the braid extension that I'm going to use, and it is by Lash. I bought color number 1 and it is long. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and comb it just to remove the flyaways, and then after which I'll just take my scrunchie and I'll secure it like so, and we'll be using it later on in the video. Okay, so if you're here already and you enjoy watching hair tutorials, please consider subscribing to this channel because this channel is all about hair and anything to do with hair. So guys, my hair is already washed. I washed it last evening. Okay, so I'll just go straight ahead and put a small section aside because this is what is going to act as our base to our bun. Okay, so we are going to braid this particular area that we did section aside. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just after sectioning it, I'll just divide it into two, after which I will take a smaller piece of a Marley braid extension, and then I'm going to braid it about 6 to 7 times at most. Okay, so guys, the reason why I'm doing this method is because my hair is short and there's no way my hair is going to cooperate to be held on a high bun. Okay, so that's the only reason why I'm adding an extension, and you can use any extension of your choice. You don't have to use the one that I'm using, provided your base of your ponytail or your bun is like a secured enough. You can just use any braid extension that you have. So if you have short hair or you have way shorter hair than mine, I'll advise you to go for this technique. Okay, because again, you'll not have to worry about your extension falling or anything of sort, because this is what I normally go for. Once I discover this method, this is what I normally do whenever I want to put my hair into a high bun or high ponytail. So guys, if you have short hair and maybe you have been wanting to put your hair into a high bun or ponytail, and you didn't know how to, then try this method, and I'm telling you, it is not going to disappoint you. Okay, so guys, after I'm done, I'll just take my water and dump my hair, because like I said, I washed my hair last evening, and as you all can see, my hair was dry. So here I am just dumping my hair, and then after that I'll be using my Eco Styler gel and together with my wax gel. So I'll first start applying my Eco Styler gel onto my hair, and just use my finger to mold the gel. Okay, now that you are here already and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, especially if you enjoy watching hair tutorials, kindly consider subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to share this video, and I will truly appreciate your support, guys. Okay, so I'm continuing the same process, applying my Eco Styler gel, and I'm doing the same thing at the back section of my hair as well. Okay, just to make sure that this gel blends in very well into my natural hair. Okay, because again, as you all can see, my hair is short and I want it to be sleek and all that. So I'll just go ahead and take my afro comb and just comb my hair towards where we will have our bun. So that is what I'm doing, and then after which I will go in and take my wax gel, and I will apply it onto my fingers exactly as you can see, and then I'm going to rub it onto my hair, guys. Okay, the consistency of this wax is thick, so it will make your hair, especially if you have short hair, it will make it to like stay laid and all that. So guys, after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my bristle brush, and I'm going to brush my hair again towards where we're going to have our bun. Okay, as you all can see, it is really smoothing my hair, and I'm going to do the same thing on the front part of my hair. Okay, just brushing it towards where we're going to have our bun. Okay, once I'm done, I'll just take my scrunchie and I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. And as you all can see, guys, we have achieved our high ponytail with our short natural hair. Okay, so if you have short hair, you don't have any reason as to why you will not have your hair into a high bun or high ponytail, because again, girl, we have to fake it, because why not? So girl, if you have short hair, then you don't have any reason as to why you not put your hair into a high bun or high ponytail, okay? Because as all can see, it is very, very easy provided you have a braid extension. Any braid extension that you'll have, you can just braid it as you all have seen in the video, and yeah. Okay guys, so I'm here to remind you again to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so guys, as you all can see, we still have some flyaways here and there. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking my wax gel and I'm going to use it to mold my hair into place. Okay, so I'm just using my wax gel to lay the places where we have some hairs here and there, some flyaways here and there. So I'm going to lay them with this wax gel. Okay, so that's the reason why again I told you this wax is very, very important, especially if you have short hair, honey. Okay, because at the end of the day you want your hair to lay flat and all that. So this is how my hair is looking like once I applied my wax gel. Okay, and I'll go ahead and take my scrunchie. This is the second scrunchie, and I'm going to secure my hair just like as you can see in the video. And then after which I'll just go ahead and take my my edges out because I will be laying them. So guys, this particular point is very, very optional. Okay, you don't have to take your edges out if you don't want to. This is all depends with your preference. Okay, okay, so I'll just quickly lay my edges, and guys, as all can see, we still have some flyaways here and there. My goodness, this short hair is not cooperating, but what I can say is that we have really tried laying this hair, so don't mind the flyaways that we have. But you can just go in with your gel and just lay it down whenever you feel like you have some hair sticking out, because I didn't notice the ones that I have, but I ended up using my gel to lay them down. Okay, so that's the problem when you have short hair, it is really a struggle, like, you guys. So after I'm done with laying my edges, I will just take my scarf and I'm going to wrap my hair. The scarf will really help me to make sure again that my hair is nice and laid. So guys, here I am just tying my scarf. I'm going to wrap it just like so, and then I'm going to secure it, and I'll go in again and take another scarf, and I will also wrap it onto my hair. Okay, just to allow it to dry and also to kind of lay my hair, and that will be all. That is how I got to lay my hair with Eco Styler together with my wax gel, guys. Okay, so guys, this is me some few minutes later. Okay, just taking off my scarf just to see how my hair is looking like. Okay, so I'll just take off my scarf exactly as you can see in the video, and to be honest with you all, I love how my hair is laid down. As you all can see, my hair is looking good. Okay, so I'll just take my braid extension and I'm going to secure it onto my ponytail, guys, exactly as you can see in the video. And then once I'm done, I'll just take a smaller piece, that is a smaller piece of this braid extension, and then I'm going to wrap it onto my ponytail, guys. Okay, So guys, for the remaining piece, I will just fold it exactly as you can see in the video. Okay, so and I also making sure that my extension, okay, the one that we use to braid our hair, is not showing. So after which, guys, I'll just twist it just like as you can see in the video, and then I'm going to wrap it around my bun. So I'm going to twist and wrap it around my bun, guys, exactly as you can see in the video. And I'm going to wrap it all the way to the very end of this extension. So guys, this is how I got to achieve this hairstyle. Hope you've learned something, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section down below. And that was basically it for today's video, guys. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care.